Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Abhinav Seth and this is my YouTube channel Sept Market Analysis. In today's video I'll talk about Bank Nifty's weekly chart. We have put in a weekly chart here and we'll see how Bank Nifty may behave in the next week based on this chart. So Bank Nifty this week made this long bearish red candle. It closed at 44,612 points with the loss of 1,600 points. So it's a 1,619 points loss in this week. This is around 3.5% loss. So 3.5% is a big loss. It's a big red candle. So if you notice this, we made a high in Bank Nifty in the month of August, right? July 20th was the high we touched. Then we started getting profit booking. Bank Nifty came down and tested this lows here, which we made in the month of June. Then we started going up slowly. We made this inverted hammer candle. We had a breakout of inverted hammer candle in this week, and then we went up sharply. Again tested the highs and then came down sharply. So if you look carefully, this 2 weeks gain that we made on Bank Nifty, we closed it in just 1 week. So first 4 weeks loss, we covered that back in 4 weeks, and then this 2 weeks gain is covered back in 1 week. So it's a sharp pullback from Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty also made a pattern which is a double top pattern. So we made a top here and then now we made a top here. This is the double top pattern, and if you know here, this is a very negative pattern. It's very negative pattern. If in case Bank Nifty manages to beat this lows of around 43,800 level, we might see very sharp fall in Bank Nifty from here. So let's talk about the levels for the next week. Bank Nifty is also making some trend line hits and is following this trend line. Let me just draw that on the chart. So if I go to the daily chart instead of the weekly chart, so here I've put in the daily chart. So if I draw a trend line here, Bank Nifty is following this trend line, respecting this trend line from quite a long time. Sorry, this one. So here, this is the trend line that Bank Nifty has been following, and it has almost closed around this trend line support level. So again, this is also another crucial point. The closing of Bank Nifty in today's session, on Friday session, it also made an inverted hammer candle. If you look at this is the inverted hammer candle, and it is also closing at the trend line's base, support base. Okay, so if I go back to the weekly chart, this is the weekly chart, and we see that Bank Nifty has closed at the same level. So in next week, if we look at the downside, and I think the trend looks continuing. If I just look at the weekly chart, I don't go by the inverted hammer candle that Bank Nifty created in Friday session, that's today's session. If I don't consider that, if I just go by the weekly chart, this still looks like a very negative pattern, because we made a double top here, right? And it closed at the support level, right? So this level, this next week level, will be very important for us. So if Bank Nifty crosses this level, which is the 44,200 level, we might see a very sharp fall from here. So the first support level is obviously this level, which is 44,500, let me just draw this, 44,450 to 500 level. So if Bank Nifty respects this level at this trend line and starts bouncing back, We might see some recovery here. I'll not give the targets for the upside because it's still a long way to recover, right? The first level obviously will be around 44,900, 44,800 level. The second will be 45,000 level. There will be a lot of resistance here. Today we tested the 45,000 level and we came down from that. So I'll not give levels for the upside. Let's just Bank Nifty trade and cross the 45,000 hurdle first, and then we can talk about that on our daily chart. But for the downside, as the pattern looks like, if Bank Nifty manages to break this, the first support, which it is closed at around 44,500, the first target will become this candle low, which is 44,200. That's a support level. If it manages to break that, then the next level will be this one, the swing level, which is 43,000. Let me just draw this here. Then the second level will be 43,800, and that's quite a bearish level. And if it manages to break this one as well, the third will be 43,600. So 44,200, 800 and 600. 43,800, 43,600 will be the next three levels. If it manages to break the lows of 43,600. If I just go back a little in history, Bank Nifty spent quite a long time here between 44,000 and 44,100, 200 and 43,300. And it also took a support from the same range itself and broke out from this range. So now if we are back to this range after we beat the 44,200 and 43,800 levels, if we are back to this range, then Bank Nifty might, this is the third or fourth time it will be testing this support range. So this support will then become very weak. Now last time it supported here and pushed it back, but now this time it will become weak, and Bank Nifty will then, if it breaks this support, then the next target for Bank Nifty will be 42,800 on the weekly chart here. That's the level that Bank Nifty can go down and test if in case we manage to break this 43,600. So I hope you like this video, guys. This is the very insightful if I talk about going back in history. So do not miss my weekly chart analysis videos. Apart from the daily chart, this gives you the insights for the next week. I hope you like this. If you like this, click on the like button, and if you're new to my channel, click on subscribe. Please leave the comments on the comment section to discuss more about these levels and understand how Bank Nifty may behave in next week. Thank you so much.